Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. Due to the slave trade,
You're a slave. The slave can never fight back.
Jamaica did not have food.
Here, drink.
This brother from Guyana says, he says that Jamaica is not the origination of rice and peas. What do you think? It's the Mr. Show. Log in right here. We got this girl looking like she's 10 years old. Had to get her off the block.
Popcorn do a song with him say, when me touch a seafood, every school girl give me deep throat.
We're going to talk about the Jamaican government. We're also going to talk about street food in Jamaica.
Hot and spicy, well slapped bread, ready this, the best, chef it right on the block right now.
So let's get into it right now. Who's really
And marry
the
who
prize?
they want. You can get offended by the statement, but if you really sit down and you think about it and you be honest with yourself, that is a very valid statement. Also,
does not belong to Jamaica.
What him say?
Does not belong to Jamaica.
Rice and peas?
Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. Due to the slave trade,
You're a slave. The slave can never fight back.
Jamaica did not have food.
Here, drink.
Jamaica was a very, very poor island.
Never.
And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans.
Trash.
Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes.
Never, never, never.
Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I'm shooting me attack.
What y'all think, people? Does Guyana own Jamaica with rice and peas? If I call it peas and rice, when I call it peas and rice, we call it rice and peas.
Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Fish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it.
Okay.
Yes. Me not joke. I'm shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican. Me not know where they come out with that.
No for no Cause no for no get good man, and just because the man can't afford certain things, one probably want no feed.
I'm choking on that motherfucker.
You no go fuck on him and get it. You know so no have good man, but you no can't hold out more time. So how that part they go? More while you no can't hold out. Talk about that the part there. Cause remember me no blood clot two-face, you know. Alright.
What name do you think I should get?
You see, I did my blood class something I may tell her about a gym. She says she are going to gym. A gym outfit, that's a gym outfit. And next, when me come son, peeping, oh, do you want peeping? And they talk about ya then you not turn me in a blood clot. And you turn me in a perp. How you come outside like that? And then bathroom if you go, blood clot wrong with you.
Who's a good boy? You are. Yes, you are.
See your ID.
All right, this one is called Too Young for the Streets. Because the girl looked like she's 10 years old, but you can tell that she is older, but I'm just saying she looks so young. And we call that one Too Young for the Streets. Where's her parents, bro? Where's her family members, her brothers, her uncles, And her friends are the ones that are edging her on to do it, because you can see that by a text message she sends out earlier. But where's her family members, yo? That one I named Too Young for the Streets.
Your ass out this car. Your life ain't don't mean that much. Get out this car.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't want to.
She's trying to get her money. Look at her. Yo, she is like you, 5 years old. No, for real, cause you.
That don't show me shit. Where's your real ID?
See her looking, she's trying to pull out the ID. And they're like, that ain't shit. Look, see? Watch.
This is my idea. That's
You like you 12, 11 years old. You too little, baby.
You're not
Too little for that.
too little.
Look.
You too little for the streets.
She not
Shorty.
grown. Look.
Did you hear her? Did she asked if I phone a pussy?
He needs some milk.
Too young for the streets. Let me get out the shot. Let's go.
Popcorn do a song where him say, when me touch a seafood, every school girl a give me deep throat, and it go #1. Just hear me out. Cartel do a song and it say, girl me a pre so me cocky raise eye for a 6 farm girl up a Bridgeport eye, and it go #1. So those two songs singing about girls. But Chuck Fender sing the song we say, gosh them and like them. All like people them are they look underage and look up at them, and the government of Jamaica banned that song. Wow.
Yeah, that's just to say that music and politics should never be mixed, ever. Because sometimes in the Jamaican election, I hear them playing certain songs, and then that song becomes associated to that political party. And music and government should never, ever mix. All right, what's this girl saying now?
I the truth, the man who f*** the best have nothing fear about toxic, cocky and stress. I the truth, the man who f*** the best have nothing fear about toxic, cocky and stress. They never have no money. Them always in.
And that's how me get hooked with Chris. Read that Chris good enough, man. In less than a minute I was there, you know.
Julian in Toronto. Welcome to the real streets of Santa Cruz, Jamaica.
Hot and spicy. Well slapped wet. Ready this, the best chef it right on the black light. That's all.
Mr. Taylor is a frequent visitor to Neddy's restaurant. And
Cooking up coffee, man. How you get it?
If you've ever been to Jamaica and had Jamaica street food, you know that this is real. Big up all the people that in Santa Cruz, New Kingston, Clarendon, St. Thomas, Rocamaret Bay, Yalas. Let's go.
Hot and spicy. Well slapped wet. Ready this, the best chef.
Right, Trenchtown, spirits lifting and filling stomachs around the sun.
Right on the black light. That's all.
Mr. Taylor is a frequent visitor to Neddy's restaurant. And
cooking up coffee, man. How you get it? And if you use no pepper, because you boy you throw pepper and turkey neck. Well pressure down.
In the price.
Turkey neck. And that they might eat ghetto oxtail. Yo.
It's reasonable. They can go nowhere in Trenchtown, nowhere on the road and get a 3 bills.
3 bills for food. 300 Jamaican dollars, I think is like $2. $3
well slapped
Canadian.
wet. Ready this, the best chef it right on the black light. That's all.
Mr. Taylor is a frequent visitor to Neddy's restaurant. And
cooking up coffee, man. How you get it? And if you use no pepper, because you boy you throw pepper and turkey neck. Well pressure down.
And the price is reasonable. They can go nowhere in Trenchtown, nowhere on the road and get a 3 bills meal. I'm telling you about a quality 3 bills meal.
And yes, the popular fried chicken is on the menu, along with stewed beef and turkey neck, or what they refer to as ghetto oxtail. Neddy and his team say they feed hundreds daily.
Wait for it.
But no, you sit down and you skylark. But it's alright. Me do it myself. There, me do it my friggin' self.
I bet I'm not getting on tonight.
What?
You heard me. You heard me.
Sorry.
Kick it.
The black women of the 90s are my favorite because we enhanced our beauty then. Now we're trying to overpower our beauty in every stance. Being a natural, beautiful woman, especially a black woman, because we just got it like that. We need to start standing in that a whole lot more. So,
all right, it's true. I had my party days was the late 80s and the early 90s. Well, I mean, I still party now as a DJ still. But my party days, when I think it was the best, in my opinion, was the 90s. The 90s girls. Shout out to all the ladies that partied in the late 80s and the early 90s. Seeing all y'all ladies running down the free naked.
Kick it.
Yo, let's go.
Hi, love. What is alright? Me do it myself. There, me do it my friggin' self.
I bet I'm not getting on tonight.
What?
You heard me. You heard me.
The black women of the 90s are my favorite because we enhanced our beauty then. Now we're trying to overpower our beauty in every stance. Being a natural, beautiful woman, especially a black woman, because we just got it like that. We need to start standing in that a whole lot more. So stop listening to these Instagram bandits, okay? Cause they finna get on my whole ass nerve.
I fuck him to death. You man to death.
Yo. This one is dangerous. Jamaica Moms 2025. This lady is pretty much like saying that her son should never see him with a man yet. She has never seen him bring a man. Hold on. She never see him with a woman yet. She never see him with a woman yet. My bad. She has never seen him bring a woman home. He only has
kick it.
Man friend, I should I call it. Yo, this lady's cold. Jamaican Moms. Let's go. 2020.
Grand bandits, okay? Cause they finna get on my whole ass nerve.
I fuck him to death. You man to death. I want body man. I'm his son, but him a pay man in care home. Me never see him with that girl yet. Never. Me have a little mad son and he all have video on his phone. They do much things to blood clot with girl and me have to tell him say nasty life them they can't on the roadside. Me little mad son. Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Never.
The video you me I make, you see them 5 pitney here, what me out? Alright. Me I beg some help for them. Me I beg some help for them. Right? 4 of them father not help me. And my big son when he go to school and he forget like part lunch in my depan part because me a try part for him a baby and him a 13 now.
Cut.
Men have always been the prize. Women, no, let me, hold on. Let me finish. But as for this conversation, I will admit I am one of the few people who did not know who Simone Biles was until this situation. However, I want to say something, and I know it's something.
All right, so if you guys don't know the context, Simone Biles is the athlete. She's a gymnast, gymnastics superstar, Olympic star from the U.S. And I think she hooked up very organically, very quite properly with an NFL player, an NFL star. And the NFL star went out there and said that he's the prize. As a man, he felt like he was the prize. And I think Simone Biles, I don't think she fought him. I don't think she really gave much noise about it. And then the women went online talking about Simone Biles should leave him. The woman's the prize and all this and that. But, you know, how do you define what and who is the prize? I think we both are the prize, but there's levels to the thing. And there's certain things that if you say that the man is the leader, then he's the prize. Boy, let's go.
For him a baby and him a 13 now.
Men have always been the prize. Women, no, let me, hold on. Let me finish. But as for this conversation, I will admit I am one of the few people who did not know who Simone Biles was until this situation. However, I want to say something, and I know some of y'all might feel away, get mad at me. Men have always been the prize. Women, no, let me, hold on. Let me finish, because I'm not, let me finish. Men have always been the prize. And I'm going to explain what I'm saying. Women marry who they can. Men marry who they want. You can get offended by the statement, but if you really sit down and you think about it and you be honest with yourself, that is a very valid statement. Also, not only that, But by him saying that he is the prize, that does not make her not a prize. I myself am raising a young man. I'm raising my son is 7 years old. He is a miniature Einstein. He has manners his manners are beyond most adults that I've ever met. His style of dress, his respect of himself as well as others. I'm instilling in him his faith, his spiritualness. I'm instilling in my son to be a prize, especially with these days, the way that women are raising these young girls. And it's unfortunate, but and also the numbers, it's always been since the beginning of time, women will fight over a man, you know what I'm saying? But they'll accept, but at the same time, they're going to accept, like back in the traditional days, that as long as the house is taken care of and he pays all the bills, he can have those 2-3 families up the street. You know what I'm saying? Men have always been the prize. We have gotten to
Hold on, rewind. She can't just slip over that part so quick. Did you hear what she said? Now, a lot of women, give me some music, yeah, Maestro Yaguan, sir. Yo, a lot of women don't want to admit it, but if you break it down and you have the conversation, you will see say, they admit it. 2 things. The richer the man is, and the more richer he is, billionaire, millionaire, whatever, he's taking care of all the bills, he doesn't have to do nothing. Him can't have as much women as he wants. Yeah, some women will get sensitive and leave, but the majority of them are staying, proven by history. And the second piece, she just said it. That's why I play it again, make you hear.
Know what I'm saying? But they'll accept, but at the same time, they're going to accept, like back in the traditional days, that as long as the house is taken care of and he pays all the bills, he can have those 2-3 families up the street. You know what I'm saying? Men have always been the prize. We have gotten to a point where we disrespect our men so much. I worry so much about what the world is going to look like when my son becomes of age to date and to court and to marry, because I will never let any of your daughters tell my son that he is not the prize. That will never be a thing. And if you have sons...
Yo, she's serious.
You should not ever tell she is a... Do you guys see what type of young girls are being raised? So you're telling these young girls that they're a prize over the son that you're putting your time... That you're actually the man who's supposed to be... Daughters tell my son that he is not the prize. That will never be a thing. And if you have sons...
Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you
should not ever tell she is a... Do you guys see what type of young girls are being raised? So you're telling these young girls that they're a prize over the son that you're putting your time... That you're actually the man who's supposed to be the provider that you guys are looking for. The man who's supposed to be the protector that you guys are looking for. And you just want to sit back and live a soft life. He's not the prize. That will never make sense to me.
How small is too small?
The G-spot is 2 inches inside the wall, so as long as you're that long, I think you're fine.
Yo, okay.
Hey babe, just in case you need a reminder, I love you. The greatest decision I ever made was to open my heart and life to you. I'm committed to loving you forever. Even when we get on each other's nerves, even in tough times, and even on the rare occasions when I might not like you much, my love for you will always remain. I'm never going anywhere. I'm yours, and you're mine, forever.
O sea, tírese para atrás, tírese para atrás. ¿Y si lo agarro de aquí? No, tiene que soltar todo. Es que no lo conozco. Ya, pues entonces aquí se va a girar, ¿ya?
What are you doing?
After a certain age, coming outside to an event where you're all dressed up for and you have heels on with no makeup is unacceptable. I don't care how pretty you think you are.
I'm so tired of Instagram personalities speaking on black women's beauty because it's so distorted in my mind. I love to look at a cute B face. I do. But once we start telling young black women that they look better like that, don't come outside, don't go to the club, don't come outside if you're not gonna have a B face with your like, we don't need all that. That's cute for the one little 1-to-1, but in real life, The natural gonna always eat every single time. And it's just like, I'm so tired of these BBL bandits. I'm so tired of these braids is not a birthday hairstyle. Girls, females, I'm so over that whole rhetoric. Braids are a birthday hairstyle. Natural hair is beautiful. Natural, being natural is gorgeous.
1 to 10, how you rate your hair game? Ain't gonna lie, I'm choking on that motherfucker. What you talking about? You gotta get the balls. I ain't gonna lie, eat ass a little bit too.
Nasty bitch.
Me never see this a boy with a girl yet. Peer man come on me and come call up for him and pick him up and sit there. Peer man never hear any talk power on his phone with a girl yet. Never. Me carry my man come here and the blood clot. Me there in my room, me fly me door open. How that? That must fuck you out for me.
Yo. Mama is cold, bro. She said she never ever see him with a woman yet. A peer man come check in. It's her son. And every time she has a man over at the house, the youth busts open the door. And I talk about and saying like, why is this guy here? You know, giving stress to mama in her house. Continue.
Pick him up and sit there. Peer man never hear any talk power on his phone with a girl yet. Never. Me carry my man come here and the blood clot. Me there in my room, me fly my door open. How that? That must fuck you out for me. No, America, this me can't just put him out like that. Me can't just put him out. Me get it. Actually, me go get something. And me can't in peace and say me walk and me carry my man come here. Tell me man say me enough man me have. What? Me son tell me man say enough man me have.
Oh, yo. Her son tells her current man, that she has a lot of men coming in and out the house.
Me carry me man come here. Tell me man say me enough man me have. Me son tell me man say enough man me have. My owner son tell my man say enough man me have. And me never see me that girl let appear man. Say look like me no have more man than him then.
That's okay. Mama is a trip. She's like, I guess I'm not supposed to have more men than him. Oh gosh. She's talking about her son. In 2025, these pastors ain't playing no games. Some of them are sleeping. Some of them are sleeping with the whole congregation. And some of them ain't playing any games at all. Check out Pastor 2025. Watch out.
Desire for a homosexual experience to rise.
So anyone with a desire for a homosexual experience to rise, right? That's what he says to his congregation. He's preaching. Listen. So my youth rise.
Yes. It's so beautiful to see people for who they truly are.
Now?
Then we need to tell them to get the fuck out. That's right, people. When you're talking to demons, you got to use that language. Get the fuck out.
Oi.
Thus, a desire for a homosexual experience to rise. Yes. It's so beautiful to see people for who they truly are. Then we need to tell them to get the fuck out. That's right, people. When you're talking to demons, you got to use that language. Get the fuck out.
Remember, like and subscribe, yeah?